I think we got a kitty cat coming to visit. Well, good morning, folks. We're going to do a cold start on the 1950 John Deere B here. What is it? It's like 28 degrees out. And the lower part of the state is supposed to get like 5 to 6 inches of snow. And it's going to be sunny here most of the day. We're kind of like on the edge. And there we have I don't know if you can see the kitty cat moving around over there. But anyway, we're going to do a cold start. I'll turn the key on. Give it a little throttle here. A little choke. And she's in neutral there. Starts up like a champ every time now. Just has a little moment there where it needs the choke pulled back out. So we're going to let this one warm up for a little bit, and I'm going to go cut some firewood. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.